Let's take a look at replacing a single pole contactor with the White Rogers SureSwitch. Let's start by disconnecting power and removing the access panels. Now we can identify the contactor and look for obvious signs of failure, such as burned or broken wire, as well as ensuring that no voltage is present. I'm going to be wiring this wire for wire, but it's still a good idea to make a note of the current wiring configuration. The SureSwitch is completely sealed. I like that it has a dedicated mounting plate for easy installation. A quick tip is to pay attention to the orientation of the unit. Wire length and accessibility are some of the things to consider when mounting the SureSwitch. The SureSwitch comes with an excellent wiring diagram, but I'm going to be wiring this wire for wire because I'm familiar with this unit and confident with the layout. But trust me, the wiring diagram is one of the best I've seen. They've also included a torque spec sheet that I recommend following. The SureSwitch has a multi-volt control coil, so it's important to pay attention to the wiring designations. Here I'm using 24 volts. Once the wiring is complete, we can reconnect power and test the unit. By depressing the test button for 1 second, the compressor and the condenser fan will run for 5 seconds. Overall, the installation process was smooth. I like the fact that the unit is sealed, and I definitely like the intuitively designed wire layout. I think that the ability to replace so many different contactors and its enhanced reliability, the SureSwitch is a serious option.
Thanks for watching. If you're willing, give this video a thumbs up and drop us a comment. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with all of our future videos. And as a quick reminder, HVAC School isn't just a YouTube channel. Dive deeper with us at our main website, hvacrschool.com. Curious for more knowledge on the go? We've got you covered. Tune into the HVAC School podcast, available on all your favorite podcast apps. And while you're at it, join our thriving Facebook group. Also, don't miss out on our free mobile applications available for both iPhone and Android. We're all about community, for techs, by techs.